Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create dispersion effect in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to elements and here I am going to search for woman cap. Okay, and here we are having few woman images, right? Let's select this one. Okay, and now we are going to remove the background. Okay, it's done. You can increase the size, right? And from here in the elements you just need to search for splatter. Okay, and in the graphics you will find some good splatters, right? Let me change its color to the cap color, right? Let me duplicate it, right? Duplicate it, put it over here, right? Duplicate it once again. Let me rotate it, right? Duplicate it once again, duplicate it. So in this manner you can simply create a dispersion effect in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.